Welcome to the May 2024 issue of Cleaner Magazine. This preview is brought to you by Rigid, introducing the new KM1004 milling machine, coming later this summer. Watch for news at rigid.com. On the cover, meet Colin Luttrell, the accidental entrepreneur behind Colin the Plumber, who turned a side hustle into a booming business in Rochester. Learn how his diverse plumbing experience and strategic equipment investments in Rigid equipment drove 200% sales growth and positioned him for future success in drain cleaning and trenchless pipe rehab. Discover valuable insights from business owners in this month's company profiles, offering inspiration and lessons for those of you who may aspire to start your own businesses one day. Dive into the world of workers' compensation with Brian Bean, Executive Claims Consultant at R&R Insurance. Discover the nuances of navigating workplace injuries and the legal complexities surrounding compensable claims. Learn from real-life scenarios and gain insights to safeguard your business and employees effectively. Embark on a journey with Joe Fuentes, owner of S&J Plumbing, as he shares his remarkable path from a $120,000 a year union plumber to a thriving business owner. Discover his family's immigrant roots, persistence, and vision for the future in this captivating story of entrepreneurship. Join EHC Environmental on a journey of innovation and efficiency. Learn how the G7 trailer-mounted water jetter from GapVax transformed their approach to tackling tough jobs, unlocking new opportunities, and exceeding customer expectations. Discover the secrets behind efficient sewer line jetting techniques with industry veteran insights. Learn from experienced professionals like the expert behind KEG Technologies, unraveling misconceptions and revealing cutting-edge equipment for optimal maintenance practices and cost-saving strategies. Portable jetters and cable machines are two equipment categories that can put your business into the upper echelon. Level up with the 2024 directory starting on page 40. From clearing stubborn clogs in residential main lines to tackling industrial floor drains, these cutting-edge machines offer unparalleled performance. Whether you're a plumber facing a challenging blockage or a facility manager maintaining commercial plumbing systems, these tools provide the power and precision you need for the job. Discover how CC Steel transformed their fleet with Vactor's customized combo unit. President Mike Sabula shares insights into the unique blacked-out design, highlighting efficiency gains and partnership with Sanitation Products, Inc. As you check out the latest product news, be sure to see the future of pipe inspection with EnviroSite's VeriSite Ultra. It features wireless connectivity for seamless collaboration, advanced camera control, and a rugged design for municipal and environmental contractors. Cleaner Magazine is here to tell your stories. Please share yours with us by emailing editor@cleaner.com. Thank you for watching and see you next month.